Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have installed. This wig is from Mslynn HAIR and I'm going to leave all the information in the description box for you guys. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video. Part wig. So the lace is just a thin area of lace here, and along the sides I did trim the lace but not too much, and I want to explain why. I do plan on having a giveaway for this unit, but if you want your chance to win this wig, continue watching. So I have a transparent T-part lace wig. This is the 24-inch, the water wave texture, and the texture is beautiful. One thing I do want to mention straight off the bat that I really like about this wig is the color. It's more of a darker color. It's pretty, I would say it's like a natural black color compared to like some brown hairs. It's definitely like pretty dark, as you guys can see on the camera. Now the curl pattern is beautiful. The hair does feel soft. I can feel the tracks as I run my hands through it, like on the back. This is 150 density. I would suggest, you know, maybe getting a higher density if that's something that you like where it's more full. It's nothing major because you can't see it. If you are new to wigs, this is a great option. I didn't cut the lace all the way because I do plan on giving it away and I want you to be able to customize it. It looks very beautiful, and to be honest, when I go out, a lot of times I just want to put the wig on and just put a bit of hairspray so it doesn't fly away with the wind. We don't need that. So we don't have any fancy baby hairs. We're just hoping that the wind does not go woo and expose us, right? So she looks cute. I'm feeling her. The curl pattern is very beautiful. It is the water wave. I really am a fan of the water wave curl pattern. It's just, I think, one of the most beautiful curl textures. 24 inches, this is definitely the stretch length. When you stretch it, it goes down to 24, but curled, it's a little bit shorter. For anyone who's wondering if you can change the part around, there are ways to manipulate the part. This is a great option for you. I can definitely run my hands through it. I am experiencing a few strands of hair. So I got about 4 strands of hair, so there is some minimal shedding. So my final thoughts on this unit, it is definitely good for someone who is on a budget. If you've made it this far into the video, then congratulations, and you have a chance to win this wig. So if you want to win this wig, you're gonna have to comment and like this video. The winner is gonna be chosen at random. I'm gonna need proof that you are subscribed and you have your notifications on, and I'm gonna see who's active in commenting and liking this video. I'm gonna choose a winner from there. So I'm gonna leave all that information also in the description box for you guys. And good luck to you all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.